Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter today gist. Wahala burst on Monday night as car jam crowd wey dey celebrate Liverpool FC Premier League parade. About 50 people wound plus 4 pikin dem. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer tok say the whole country dey behind Liverpool as moment of joy sharply turned to serious horror and pain. Liverpool Mayor Steve Rotherham say 4 of the injured people still dey critical condition, whereas Jurgen Klopp, former Liverpool coach, say him and him family dey shocked. Police don arrest one 53-year-old white British man wey dem believe say na the driver, but dem say no be terrorist attack and make people no rush speculate motive. Authorities still dey investigate wetin really happen. North Korea don dey vex say America new missile defense plan wey dem call Golden Dome fit turn space to battlefield wey go carry nuclear wahala. The defense system wey President Donald Trump wan launch before im term finish na to block new kind missile attacks like ballistic and cruise missiles. North Korea Foreign Ministry call the plan pure arrogance and accuse US say dem dey turn outer space into war zone. Dem talk say the team fit start global space and nuclear arms race. Pyongyang see America as enemy and dem always complain anytime US do joint military drills with South Korea. One analyst Hong Mi talk say this new system go reduce the power of North Korean weapons. So if US complete the Golden Dome, North Korea go need find new way to break am. Remember say for 2022, North Korea don declare say dem be nuclear state and since then, dem don test different missiles. Early this year, dem claim say dem launch missile with hypersonic warhead wey fit contain rivals for Pacific region. China sef don join talk say dem dey seriously concerned about the US Golden Dome. Dem talk say e get offensive vibes and e go scatter global peace balance. China accuse US say dem just dey find their own security. Dem no mind other countries. US don already put $25 billion for this budget, but some people dey fear say e fit reach 20 times of that amount later on. US President Donald Trump don pardon ex-Virginia Sheriff Scott Jenkins wey court bin sen ten ce to 10 years for fraud and bribery. Jury bin find Jenkins guilty say im collect over $75,000 bribe from some businessmen, give dem police badge without any proper training. The men wey pay am use the title take escape traffic wahala and waka with guns without permit. Jenkins, wey support Trump tey suppose enter prison on Tuesday, but Trump pardon am, so e no go spend even one day for cell. Trump talk say Jenkins and im family don suffer for hell and say na Biden's Justice Department push am. The judge for the case, Robert Barlow, na Biden appoint am, but na proper jury trial dem do. The court say Jenkins collect bribe from 8 people. Trump still talk say judge no gree make Jenkins defend himself well and call the whole case wicked prosecution. Now, Trump don add am join the list of im supporters wey don collect presidential pardon. Constitution give any US president power to pardon person wey commit federal offense as long as no be impeachment matter. The pardon mean say Jenkins don free. All im rights like to vote or run for office go come back. One new aid group wey US and Israel support, Gaza Humanitarian Foundation (GHF), don start to share food for Gaza. Dem say truckloads of food don reach secure locations and dem begin share give people, but dem no talk how many or exactly where. This GHF group use armed American contractors do security and dem wan bypass UN to distribute aid to the 2.1 million people wey dey suffer for Gaza after Israel block road for 11 weeks. Hunger don nearly turn to famine, but UN and other aid groups no gree work with GHF. Dem say the way GHF dey do things no follow humanitarian rules and e fit even turn food to weapon. GHF talk say Hamas dey steal aid, but Hamas deny am. For one statement wey dem release, GHF talk say dem don start work and food dey reach secure distribution sites for Gaza. Dem promise say more trucks go enter and more people go shop. Photos show some men dey carry buses, but reporters ask dem how many trucks enter and how many people don get food, but GHF never answer. Jack Wood, wey first lead GHF, don resign, say the plan no dey neutral or fair like humanitarian aid suppose be. One SU said Oga John Acri don take over. UN and other aid bodies still dey vex. Dem say dis kind plan no go help disabled people, old people and people wey wound. Dem also tok say e go scatter pipo wey don already suffer and e fit even cause more wahala. Hamas don warn pipo make dem no follow GHF collect anytin. Dem tok say na plan to use hunger punish civilians and cause more gbege. GHF come tok say Hamas dey threa ten aid workers wey wan help for dia secure sites. Dem still accuse Hamas say dem wan stop Gaza pipo from getting help. UN pipo wey dey run Global Camp Coordination and Camp Management (CCCM) under International Organization for Migration (IOM) don tok say within just 10 days, reach May 25, over 180,000 pipo don run from dia place again for Gaza. Dem say di renewed Israeli attack wey scatter displacement camps where pipo already dey stay, including Am Awasi tent and one school shelter for Gaza wey dem bomb. According to dem, wetin dey happen now na direct attack on top innocent displaced pipo and dem strongly condemn am say na clear violation of international humanitarian rights. Dem still tok say from March 18, wen di Israeli fight start again strong, over 260 camps wey hold like 125,000 pipo don receive evacuation order. Di CCCM cluster dey beg make Israel stop to bomb dis shelters, make dem allow humanitarian aid enter freely and make dem protect civilians no matter where dem dey. As di Gaza war don clock 600 days, Hamas don beg di whole world make dem raise voice and take action against wetin dem dey call occupation, killing and hunger wey Israel dey use finish Gaza pipo. Dem drop one statement wey call on groups and organizations for all corners of di world to step up protest, whether na march, rally or sit-down protest for street and city square. Hamas say make di coming days turn to global rage as dem wan see serious demonstration everywhere to show solidarity with Gaza and to condemn di wahala. Oliver Faure, wey be oga of French Socialist Party, don come out tok say Israel dey do genocide for Gaza. Dis na di first time wey im party go join mouth with Greens and Communists on top di matter. Faure tok dis one for rally say e no go cover mouth. E say genocide na when person dey do wickedness on purpose and some pipo for Israeli government don make statements wey show say dem get dat kind mind. Im call out Benjamin Netanyahu and his government, say di killings for Gaza no be ordinary, e don turn genocide and di world suppose dey tok am with clear voice. One 19-year-old New Zealand boy, Ryan Satterthwaite, don die after he suffer serious hand injury from one trending rugby-style game wey dem dey call Run It Straight for Palmerston North. The game na just one person carry ball run, make another person tackle am hard, na like street rugby, but dis time e turn deadly. Police say na impromptu play wey Ryan do with im padi dem, but e don end in tragedy. Dem warn say make pipo think well before dem try dat kind risky play again. Di game dey trend for Australia and New Zealand and e dey popular for TikTok and other social media. Videos dey show boys dey charge at each other like buffalo as their guys dey shout. Some even dey pass out after dem jam. One big tournament wey dem call Rooney Championship League hold for Auckland dis month with over 1,000 pipo for stadium and $13,000 prize. Person even get seizure for there after serious collision. Kimani Ngalafe, wey dey organize similar game for New Zealand, say the sport don dey popular for long. Even small pikin of 5 years dey play am, but im tok say make dem dey use protective headgear and put pipo around to stop players from hitting head for ground. French President Emmanuel Macron don clear di air after one video wey go viral show im wife Brigitte push im face as dem waka come down from plane for Vietnam, di first stop for dia Southern Asia waka. For Hanoi, Macron tok say pipo just dey blow di matter out of proportion. According to am, na small play and tease between me and my wife, no be global problem. The video show when plane door open, Macron show face and Brigitte hand just show come push im face small like play. Macron shock small, then continue wave like nothing happened. As dem dey come down from the stairs, Macron try to give Brigitte hand to hold, but she ignore am and hold rail instead. At first, LEC Palace talk say nothing like that happen. Later, they change mouth say na just small husband and wife palava, na moment of togetherness. One source talk say dem just dey relax and dey play before their official waka start. But as usual, Online conspiracy people and pro-Russia trolls carry am turn another big gist. Dis one na just the latest drama wey Macron dey face. Beginning dis month, one fake news fly say Macron dey use cocaine for train wen e dey go Kyiv with German Chancellor Friedrich Merz and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. Dem even claim say tissue wey Macron pick up na drug bag. But LEC fire back online say na tissue to blow nose, no be cocaine. One Delhi court don clear former Wrestling Federation chairman Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh for the sexual harassment case wey one minor girl file against am. Police for Delhi tell the court say dem investigate well and see say no strong evidence. The minor wey bin accuse am don later withdraw her talk and her papa come confess say na false case dem carry go police. Singh, wey be former MP for ruling BJP party, still get another case where 6 big female wrestlers file. Dem accuse am of sexual harassment and stalking. But for dis minor girl own, the case don die for court. The whole wahala start for 2023 when top wrestlers like Sakshi Malik, Baranj Pania and Vinesh Phogat protest tire. Even police drag dem like thief for street when dem try go new parliament building. The matter even vex International Olympic Committee IOC wey call for better investigation. Government come talk say dem go charge Singh before June 15, 2023. Even as Singh deny everything, some people believe say the girl and her family withdraw the case under pressure. Wetin pain some people be say even after Singh comot as wrestling boss, im padi Sanjay Singh take over and people dey talk say na Brij Bhushan still dey run things for back. Government later suspend the Wrestling Federation, but by 2024, the international body United World Wrestling lift the ban. Reports even talk say the wrestling body still dey operate from Singh address for Delhi. So na like that, case wey minor girl carry against Brij Bhushan don cancel, but other cases still dey ground. And the last one for today. Na serious gbege for Zimbabwe as President Emmerson Mnangagwa don sign one new law wey go force all car owners to pay $92 every year for radio license before dem fit buy or renew their motor insurance. Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa blast the law say e wicked, anti-people and heartless. The government say na to help raise money for ZBC, the country state broadcaster wey dey lose money. Dem say plenty people no dey pay for TV and radio license, so dem wan use dis law close loophole. Now, before you fit buy insurance or get Zinara road license, you go need show radio license or exemption. If your motor no get radio or you be tourist, dem fit exempt you. The government defend the move, say e fair and necessary, but many Zimbabweans no gree. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.